Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the absolute fastest way to create a Game Pass for Please Donate, so you can start racking up those Robux donations immediately. First, you need to step away from the Roblox app and open up your favorite web browser on your computer or phone. Go straight to roblox.com, sign into your profile, and click on the Create tab located right at the top of your screen to load the Roblox Creator dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, you will see a default public game that Roblox automatically creates for every single user. Simply click on that experience to open up its specific back-end management page. Next, direct your attention over to the left-hand navigation sidebar. Scroll down until you locate the Associated Items option and give that a click. From the tabs at the top of this new section, select Passes and then click on the bright blue Create a Pass button. You can upload any fun image you want. Give your pass a creative name that will catch a donor's eye, type out a quick description if you want to, and hit the Create button at the bottom. The final crucial step is setting the price, so click directly on the brand new pass you just generated, look back at that handy left side menu, and select Sales. Switch the toggle for Item for Sale to the active position, input your desired Robux price in the box, and click Save Changes. Now, all you have to do is launch your Roblox app, hop right into a Please Donate server, walk up to an unclaimed booth, hold down the Claim button, and your newly priced Game Pass will automatically display on your stand for everyone to buy. Subscribe the channel for more videos.